Hello guys, I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. You've just tuned into the Roaches to Riches YouTube channel. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Stack612. That's STACK_612. Now, y'all are about to hear the most bizarre Roaches to Riches story thus far. We just got our car back for free. Free F-R-E-E. Now, I'm going to tell y'all the whole story from beginning to end. So, in January, I posted my Honda Accord for sale. I only made a couple videos on that Honda Accord. It was my daily driver for a long time. I bought it for $850. I beat the absolute piss out of that car. I used it for work. Yeah, the car was okay when I got it, but I ran the thing into the ground. Here's where the story begins. I posted it for sale in early January. Okay, guy comes along with his buddy. They look around. They test drive it. They negotiate down to $700. Problem is, the guy doesn't have any cash on him. It happens before. He said he's going to come back the next day with the money. So we agree that he's going to come back the next day with the money, all right? Mind you, this thing was so low. I'm just trying to dump this thing out of here. You know, it's like, whatever. I got way more than my money's worth out of that car. Next day, the guy calls me back. Hey, I don't have the money. Can you please come over here and I'll give you the money, blah, blah, blah. I come over there. Problem is, this guy only has $500. And this is where I begin to start filming stuff, and we get all the rest of the story on film. Most of the story gets on film. So here's our little situation. So we've been Walmart hopping with our buddy who I'm selling the car to. Hopefully gonna sell the car to. Been going to him and yeah. Went to one Walmart to go find some money. Said there was no money there. They weren't giving cash at that Walmart, so we went to another Walmart. I really hope he's not screwing with me, so. Mind you, we agreed to $700, so I'm like, whatever, let's just go right around. He says he has some money in the Western Union, so we go to the Walmart in the Western Union. Guess what? There's no money in the Western Union. So we end up riding around to a different one. There's no money, okay? There's no money. Mind you, this is my time. I'm wasting my damn time. You guys know me about my time. Anyway, after about 4 hours of my time wasted, we drive back to where I am. We agree that I'm gonna give him the car, but I'm gonna keep the title until he gives me the rest of the money. So I draft up some little write-up contract that he's gonna give me the rest of the money. So next day he comes back, drives back with the car, because the reason I left him the car is because he needed the car to get to work, you know what I'm saying? So the guy was broke. We've all been there. It sucks. I empathize with that. That's why I'm trying to help the guy out. Next day he comes back with the car, gives me the rest of the cash, $200, and boom, end of story. I gave him the title. I leave it because, you know, I don't do the whole follow you to the DMV. I made a video about this before. And well, guess what? The guy was broke. He's telling me about his life and everything, and I'm sort of, you know, putting together a little profile on what's going to happen. So during the time when I gave him the title, the way he was talking about how broke he was and, like, you know, how he was living and everything like that, I knew he wasn't going to transfer the title. I just knew he wasn't going to transfer the title, but I gave it to him anyway. I really didn't care. Well, got the rest of the money. Finally sold the old Honda Accord, man. Yep. There it goes. There it goes. You've all heard this story before, and you're about to hear it again. Guy sells car to person doesn't transfer title, anything can happen. Well, yeah. Y'all about to find out what just happened. About a month and a half later, I get a notice in the mail telling me I gotta go pay a parking ticket and get my car out of the impound, and, you know, before it goes to auction, something like that. A couple days after that, guy shows up at my place, starts banging on the door, you know, ringing the bell, crazy, like a crazy person. I want to open the door and punch the guy in the face, and I'm like, oh no, it's the fella. He didn't give me a call or nothing. I'm busy as hell. I got things going on, you know what I'm saying, my life. Well, and so yeah, he shows up with his woman, and they're all like, yo, let's go. We gotta go get the car out of the impound. Yeah, they said, because you still own the car, so you gotta show them your ID, blah, blah, blah. Mind you, I'm busy, okay? This guy doesn't ask me at all what I'm doing, what I'm doing with my life. You know, do I have time? No, he just tells me to, you know, hop in the car, let's go. Remember when I was telling you about the little profile I was putting in my head of this guy before? Well, not only is he broke, he's also silly, okay? He's also, you know, foolish. Yeah. Oh yeah, right there. Why they got these Crown Vics over here? They're probably just using to drive them in the yard.
This is money, you know, we're not call it and count it.
Yeah. £1 lot. I'm trying to get that thing in the shot.
Get the car to them, right?
What?
Give the car to them.
Yeah, we're gonna give the car to them, man.
Give the car to them, huh?
That just sucks, man. Cause like $400 in the hole, man.
Yeah.
Life just kicks you in the ass sometimes. Sheesh. Crazy ass night, man. Yo, my side's locked, yo. I show them my ID. They pay the fees. It cost them like $400, okay? I would have gotten the car out of the impound myself, but I saw the amount of money that the fee was to get it out of the impound. I'm not paying that. The car's not worth that much. So I just threw that thing in the trash, went on with my life. This fella, he was fixing to move to California in this vehicle. Mind you, this was a $700 car. That's how much I sold it to this fella for. The subframe is rusted out. The wheel bearing is shot. There's also a couple minor issues, things like that. The tires are completely bald. Well, guess what? This guy takes it to a shop and they quote him $800 to fix the car. Obviously, they're going to quote him that much. The car's a piece of junk. You know, the car is not supposed to be fixed. You know what I mean? The car is not worth fixing. He's not very intellectual. Okay. And I'm also, now during the time, he's saying, oh yeah, we got to go fix this car because we're going to move to California. At this point, I'm starting to call him out on his stupidity. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, dude, like, you're not making sense. Like, what you're doing is not making sense. The battery's probably dead, man. We would need to hook up a tow strap and get it through the snow. If this thing starts, I'll lose my mind, man. Hey! Oh, I can't run it like that. The exhaust pipe is all blocked off in the back. Oh shit. Alright. Just gotta walk it back and forth. Hell yeah! We out, baby.
We follow you, right?
Yeah, I need to put insurance on this car. Oh. And cause it's still under my name and I can just do it in a couple minutes. Okay. And I gotta know where I'm going and everything. Like, okay, you bought a car for $700. You just paid $400 to get it out of the impound. And now you're gonna go take it to a shop and pay $800. Mind you, this is a 1999 Honda Accord. Yeah? Let's just say $2,000 in total. You're gonna be into that car for $2,000. The car's not worth that much, okay? And that's just the bare minimum. The car also needed tires and all this other stuff. I made him aware of all the issues there were. It wasn't like I was being some kind of scumbag or whatever. We end up driving the car back to his place. So he's going to take all his stuff out of it. And transfer, you know, the title into someone else's name, and then they're gonna sell it or whatever. Remember when I was telling about before how this fella wasn't offering to compensate me whatsoever of my time? Okay, you got to be considerate, man. You know, when I enlist the help of someone else, I make sure I'm thinking about their loss, okay? And I want to make sure that I compensate them accordingly. You guys will not believe this, man. This guy has all his stuff in the car, man. This dude is fixing to move to California in this car. Like, y'all can hear the noise right now. This vehicle is not. All right, we made it to the gas station. Got the tire pressure thing right here. Snow all over this thing, man. Oh, look at those brake rotors. Yeah, they're still on the bead. Oh yeah. This car just won't quit. I'm telling y'all. The reason that wheel always goes flat is because that one's bent. All the other tires look good. I'm gonna tell y'all, let me show y'all a little wide angle. I mean, this car just won't quit. I kind of miss this car. We bring the car back to his place, and brother was about to just send me on my way, okay? Just about to send me on my way, no offer for compensation, and I'm just like, that ain't right, okay? Like, I just helped this guy out, and he thinks I'm just gonna, like, I was busy as hell. You know, I put everything I was doing aside to go hop in right there and go help this guy out. Well, things like that don't fly with me. So at this point, when he was about to send me on my way, mind you, I had already wasted 4 hours this day helping this guy out. So boom, I said it right there, put my foot down. I told him, here's what's gonna happen. You're either gonna give me $400 or you're gonna remove all your possessions from this vehicle and I'm leaving with it. So at this point, brother's like, no, I know have money. I'm like, okay, well, you better start getting your stuff out of the car then. Well, watch the rest of this video and you're gonna see what happens. Here's the car right here, parked on the side of the street. We gotta sort this out. See y'all when I get the keys. Of course, it started up like a champ, like it always does. And I started just getting into the car to head out. And of course, this guy left so much of his crap in the car. Look at all that. We got a microwave. We got a damn microwave. Like, really? We got all this stuff. I don't even know what all this stuff is, man. Nasty up ahead. I mean, like, we got some coat hangers and, oh, damn. That's just nasty, man. Well, at least we got some free stuff out of this deal, so let's head out. So yeah, if you couldn't already tell through the video, we got our car back, and since we got this car back for free technically, but I'm still thinking of it as if it were my car the entire time, I decided that we're gonna do a mini restoration of it. As far as what's wrong with the vehicle, subframe is rusted out. Number two, probably gonna get new wheels and tires for it. One of the wheels is bent, all the tires are spanked. So we're gonna fix all that. Wheel bearing, again. We've been through so many wheel bearings on that car, it's just, I hope y'all are happy now. Back to working on cars. If y'all like this video, leave a like. If y'all want to watch more of our videos, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell button. If you want to see what's going on outside of YouTube, when we're not posting YouTube videos, follow us on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at Stack612. That is STACK_612. And as always, y'all stay strong, stay healthy, and stay inspired. I'm out. Peace.